Let's assemble the dark wood circle arch. This item has 3 pieces, 1 assembly kit, and requires 2 people to assemble. Assembly kit includes 6 carriage bolts with nuts and double washers, and 2 ratchet wrenches. Start by standing the arch base upside down. Place the stand piece on top, lining up the holes. Place bolts with 1 washer through each hole. Secure underneath with a second washer and nut, using the ratchet wrench to tighten. Carefully flip the base piece and place down. Add the arch top on the base, lining up the holes on both sides. Place bolt with 1 washer through the base of the side joint, securing with a second washer and nut on top. Use ratchet wrench to tighten and secure, then repeat on the other side. Place in your desired location, remembering to always lift, never drag. Add drape, florals, or both for a completed look. Looking for more tutorials? Check out our website for more videos.